chemical bonding and molecular structure. It is the second video. Question number 18. The correct bond order in the following species is bond order based on molecular orbital theory. We have to give the answer. See, according to molecular orbital theory, one trick I will tell you. Whenever 14 electrons are there, bond order is 3. For each electron changing, the bond order changing 0.5. That means when 15 electrons are there, 2.5. As well, when 13 electrons are there, 2.5. 12 electrons, 2. 16 electron also 2. Like that, for each 1 electron, 0.5 times decreasing bond order. Now, in the given question, O2 plus, that means total 15 electrons, bond order 2.5, O2 plus 2, 14 electrons, 3 bond order, O2 minus 17 electrons, that means 1.5 bond order, you can see. So, highest O2 plus 2, least O2 minus 2. O2 plus 2 highest, O2 minus 2 least, O2 minus 2 least, O2 plus 2 highest bond order. Is it clear? Now, direct we can see the question number 20. Which of the following options represent the correct bond order? Same question repeated here. No need to solve again. Next, question number 19. Which of the following pairs of ions are isoelectronic and isostructural? Isoelectronic. First, we have to calculate the number of electrons. See, here chlorine is there, carbon is there. Means it is not at all isoelectronic. Then sulfur and nitrogen, not at all. Then carbon and sulfur, not at all. Chlorine and sulfur, chance is there. Chlorine 17 plus oxygen 3 is common is there. Cl minus and sulfur minus 2, obviously isoelectronic. So isostructural. If you calculate the hybridization and geometry, it should be same. You can see here, of course option only one is there, C. Still I want to explain you this ClO3 minus and SO3 2 minus. How to calculate the hybridization and give the geometry? See, one simple trick I will tell you. First you have to identify the central atom. In the ClO3 minus, chlorine is the central atom. Chlorine, write the valence electrons of chlorine. Total 7 electrons are present, but one minus is there. That's why you can take total 8 electrons. Okay. Each oxygen forming 2 bonds. So 2 electron consumed by 1 oxygen. Like the total 3 oxygens. Next, 1 lone pair is there. So the conclusion is 3 sigma bonds, 1 lone pair is there. Hybridization is sp3. Generally sp3 means tetrahedral hona chahiye, but 1 lone pair is there. That's why pyramidal is the hybridization. Regarding ClO3 minus we discussed. Now SO3 2 minus. Same process. Sulfur is the central atom. Take valence electrons 6 and 2 minus 2 electron extra. One is one lone pair. Same double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. What's the conclusion? 3 sigma bonds and 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair, 3 sigma bonds. Total hybridization sp3 hybrid, total is 4. That means sp3 hybridization, 1 lone pair is there, means pyramidal. We got it both same. sp3 pyramidal, sp3 pyramidal. So isostructural. 20 also over. Then question number 21. Maximum bond angle at nitrogen. Maximum bond angle at nitrogen is present in which of the following? Maximum bond angle. Again you have to calculate the hybridization as well geometry. See, NO2 minus. This is the explanation here. You can see NO2 minus, NO2 plus, NO3 minus, and NO2. See, one more method is there to calculate the hybridization as well geometry. See, you can take the all valency electrons, the sum of valency electron divided by 8 if the sum is more than 8. If less than 8 is there, you have to divide with 2. Now, the total sum, see, nitrogen 5 electrons, oxygen, each oxygen 6 electrons. 5 plus 1 negative charge, 6 plus 6 plus 6, total 18 electrons, 18 by 8. That means 8 2s are 16, 2 electrons left, so 2 by 2, 2 by 2 that equal 1. So total is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 means 3, that means 3 means sp2 hybridization. Understood? Next, nitrogen 5 electrons, 5 plus 1 means 4 electrons, here 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 4, total 16 electrons, 16 by 8, that means 2, sp hybridization. Next, NO3 minus, nitrogen 5 electrons, 5 plus 1, 6 electrons, 6, oxygen, each oxygen 6, 18 plus 6, total 24, 24 by 8 equal 3, 3 means again sp2 hybridization. Next, NO2, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, दूसरा oxygen 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 5, 17 electrons, 17 electrons, so 8 2s नहीं होता है, 8 1s 8 1s 8, sorry 8 2s 16 plus 1 electron is there, so keep it 1 electron as it is. So that is sp hybridization. It has one unpaired electron is there, one unpaired electron. Now the question is bond angle, which is the most highest bond angle. Obviously sp hybridized, sp hybridization means that is the linear shape. sp hybridization means the linear shape, so bond angle is 180 degrees. See here, the NO2 plus has sp hybridization, bond angle is 180 degrees. Okay, so NO2 plus is the answer. Next, which of the following species contain equal number of sigma and pi bonds? Just you have to write the structure, then you easily can answer it. XeO4 structure. Then Cn taken twice. See here, XeO4, Xe double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. So here how many 4 sigma bonds are there? 4 pi bonds are there. Okay, 4 sigma, then 4 pi bonds. The question is asking that number of sigma and pi bonds are same in which molecule? Obviously XeO4. If you want to see the other structures, Cn triple bond, Cn bond Cn, only 3 sigma bonds, 1 2 3 4, 4 pi bonds, 3 sigma, 4 pi bonds. Here 1 pi, 1 2 3 4, 4 sigma. Here there is no pi bond. Sorry, here pi bonds are there, even though not equal. So answer is The conclusion is answer is XeO4. XeO4. The last question 23. Decreasing order of stability. Decreasing order of stability means bond order less. Bond order is directly proportional to stability. So decreasing order means highest bond order first while going lowest bond order. Highest bond order to lowest bond order. That is a decreasing order of stability. Highest bond order. Highest bond order means 14 electron hai to highest. The bond order is 3. See, first we will write the electrons. O2 minus 2. How many electrons? 16 plus 2. 18 electrons. O2 minus 17 electrons. 16. Then 15. 15, 16, 17, 18. When number of electrons are increasing, bond order is decreasing, stability also decreasing. So answer is A. We can see the next one also. Here 18. So here is list. Decreasing stability. ये गलत हो गया. ठीक है. Next. So 23. A is the answer.